it's me, Brecky Breck, and today we are at Dino Fest here in Stone Mountain, Georgia. I am so excited because we get to see so many different types of dinosaurs and explore all that this place has to offer. Let's go check it out.
Brecky Breck, come along and play with me. Brecky Breck, now it's time to learn with Brecky Breck.
Check these two dinosaurs out. There's two dinosaurs here at the entrance, but I know where there's a lot more. But first, we have to ride a train. Come on, let's go make our way to the train station. Wow, this Dino Fest has a town. It's so much fun, and we're making our way to the train station. I cannot wait to ride a train. Have you ever ridden a train before? Oh boy, this is my first time. I'm really excited. I can hear the train coming. Come on, I think we're almost there. Wow, I think I found the train. Check it out. Look at this. This is an awesome train. Here at Stone Mountain Park, you can ride the train all over the park. This is so exciting. Wow, check out how long this train is. Let's make our way towards the front. Do you notice the colors of this train? Green and yellow and black. Those are two of my favorite colors. Oh, this is gonna be so much fun. Here we go, we're getting aboard. Oh wow, this is so much fun. There are so many seats to sit in. All right, it's time to find a seat. This one looks perfect. Oh wow, I'm so excited. This is gonna be so much fun. Here we go. Wow, we're moving. This is so much fun. We're going really fast too. Did you know that this train can go 90 miles an hour? But right now we're only going about 15 miles an hour. Oh, that's pretty cool. It's fun to wave at people that aren't on a train. Hi guys. So much fun. Follow me. I know where to find the dinosaurs. Check it out. We've arrived. Let's go see some dinosaurs. Did you hear that? I hear the dinosaurs. We better look around and watch our step. The first dinosaur I see is a baby! Wow! Whoa. Do you see that group of baby eggs? There's a dinosaur eye hatching out of it! Oh boy! Wow! Here we have an ankylosaurus! Look at him! He's moving his mouth and everything! Hi, buddy! Look, he's even wagging his tail! Check it out! It's a Parasaurolophus! This is so cool! He's even nodding his head at me. Hello, sir. Good day. Whoa, look at this! It's a paleontologist outpost. This is where researchers can come and study the dinosaur eggs. Wow! There's even some computer screens right here. Check out the size of these dinosaur eggs. I wonder who those are. Let's keep exploring. Whoa, this Dimetrodon is kind of scary. Look Look at those super sharp teeth and that plate on his back. Oh boy, I wouldn't want to see him out in the wild. Look at this, it's a Stegosaurus. I can tell because of the plates on his back. Wow, and he's got spikes on his tail too, so he can fend off predators. Whoa, he looks a little upset. We should give him some space. Let's keep exploring. Oh, it's a Dilophosaurus! Oh my goodness! Look at his tiny arms! He's so tall though! Oh, hi buddy! I'll be on my way! You see the size of these bones? Can you imagine one of these bones being the leg bone to a dinosaur? Wow, that is one massive dinosaur! Here's my favorite. This is a Triceratops. We know this guy. He's got 3 horns on his head, 2 on the top and 1 on his nose. That is pretty cool. This guy looks happy to see me. He's even wagging his tail. I would love to ride a Triceratops. Do you see that guy right there? That right there is a Megalosaurus. I wonder how close we can get. Oh, I'm gonna be really quiet. Hello? Are you asleep? Oh boy, hi buddy. You sure are looking friendly and super tall, and I like your teeth. Have you been brushing them lately? They look mighty white. Oh boy, he looks awesome. Whoa, this right here is a pterodactyl. Can you imagine this giant bird-like animal flying over the top of you? I'd be pretty nervous. Wow, you see this Kentrosaurus? He's a lot bigger than a Stegosaurus. Looks pretty similar though, doesn't he? A lot of dinosaurs coming up. I'm so excited to meet them. This right here is a Tyrannosaurus Rex. Look at his huge mouth and his little tiny arms. Wow, you see those eyes? Oh, he's waving at us. Hi, buddy, it's so good to meet you. Oh, hey there, Brecky Breck. You can call me T. T-Rex, that is. Oh, okay, buddy. Nice to meet you, T. We'll see you later. Whoa, look at the pretty feathers on this one. Wow, and he's got some pretty sharp teeth, too. There's another one of those pretty feathered creatures. Wow, that dinosaur looks like he's on a mission. Wow, this is the tallest dinosaur they have at this exhibit. It's a Brachiosaurus, and he's moving his head at us. It looks like he's trying to get a snack from that tree up there. How's it going up there, buddy? Oh, pretty good. I'm just eating my vegetables. Oh, that's a good, healthy option. I'll see you later. Whoa, this is an Allosaurus. Look at the size of that mouth and those super sharp claws on his hind legs. He looks like a mighty dinosaur. I wonder if he's friends with T. He looks like he would be. Whoa, look at the poop over there. Everybody poops, even the dinosaurs. Wow. Can you imagine accidentally tripping in that? That would be pretty disgusting. Check it out. This right here is a pteranodon. Well, it's a certain species of a pteranodon. But isn't that so cool? There are so many different flying dinosaurs. I'm in the belly of a dinosaur. Woo! I'll see you later, buddy. Check this out! This is a baby dino feeding wall! You can get a little egg right here and feed it to the Tyrannosaurus Rex. Here you go, buddy! Oh boy! Sounds like he enjoys his snack. shops and shows for the whole family. There's a lot of fun things to do here. Whoa, look at that! They've got giant bubbles! Oh, this is the best place ever! Wow, check it out! There's a walking, talking dinosaur over here! Hi, buddy! Wow, check out this baby dinosaur! Hi, buddy! Does he have a name? Hank! Hank the dinosaur! He's super cute! Wow, check it out! We've got a big dinosaur right here! Can I have a high five, buddy? What about this guy? Look how tall he is! He's a dinosaur trainer, I can tell. Hey, how are you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good, it's so good to meet someone so tall.
Oh yeah, you know, I gotta stay above the eye line to see these guys right here.
That's right. We'll see you later.
See ya.
Look at this. There's a trainer over here with a baby dinosaur. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to see him. Wow, that's amazing. He says this dinosaur has 800 teeth when they're first born. Look, they get to pet Thumper the dinosaur. Oh, wow. Check it out. Here's Thumper. Hi, buddy. Oh, thank you so much. Oh, man. Oh, wow! This is called the Sky Hike. You put a harness on with a pulley and you get to explore all the trails up tall. That's really neat. They even have a low ropes course over here that's close to the ground to explore. Wow, this is awesome. Oh boy, takes a lot of balance on the balance beam. I'm like a real trapeze tightrope walker. Oh boy. Wow, that was so much fun. Let's keep exploring. Check it out, there's a dinosaur trainer over here. I had so much fun exploring Dino Fest here in Stone Mountain, Georgia. I hope you had fun too. Did you have a favorite dinosaur? Mine was the Triceratops. All right, well, I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Hey, I'm Brecky Breck, and I go on fun adventures here on YouTube. Do you want to go on fun adventures with me? If you search for my name, Brecky Breck, or click the link down below, you can see all the fun places and things I love to explore. Children. I have 4 kids of my own, and I feel that their time is so valuable, and I really want them to get to learn about and experience different things that real life people get to do. That's why we go on so many different fun adventures. So I really hope your kids enjoy these adventures with me. I hope to see you in some of my other adventures. Bye-bye.